DAYS360 function returns the number of days between two dates based on a 360-day year. DAYS360 function count 1 month equal to 30 days. This function has 3 arguments. In start date and end date arguments, select the cell references that contain dates from which you want to know the number of days between two dates. Method argument is optional. A logical value that specifies whether to use the US or European methods in the calculation. Type false or true. Type false for US calculation method or type true for European calculation method. In default, false is entered. Click cancel. Active days cell. Click date time arrow button. Click DAYS360 function. In start date box, select this cell reference. Press tab key. In end date box, select this cell reference. Leave blank method box. Click OK. Function returns number of days between two dates 22 based on a 30-day month. Paste the formula in this cell. Press mouse and drag to this cell. Function returns number of days between two dates 35 based on a 30 days month. In this way, you can count number of days between two dates by using DAYS360 function.